With nearly £500 million viewers annually, Formula One generates nearly £1.1 billion in revenue and thrills spectators year after year. But is this worth destroying our planet for? EcoFuture Consultants is a multi-skilled, multifaceted team of engineers with the aim to revolutionise the future of motor racing by developing an eco-conscious Formula One track and holiday village. The team includes Olivia Ellard, Project Manager and Renewable Energy Specialist, Martin Head, Project Coordinator, IT Specialist and Mechanical Engineer, Joshua Smith, Health, Safety and Environment and Finance Director, Emma Roberts, Civil Engineer and Quality Assurance Manager, Harriet Scowen, Stakeholder and Communications Manager, and Anthony Davies, Architect and Structural Engineer. The team have a wide range of previous experience in industries including construction, consultancy and manufacturing. Upon analysis, the team considered themselves to have the full set of skills required to deliver a fully considered and integrated design solution. Davidstow Circuit is a disused motor racing circuit that was built on the site of RAF Davidstow Moor. The circuit opened in 1952 and held 3 Formula One races between 1954 and 1955. The circuit hosted its last race in 1955 and was one of many of Britain's airfields to be transformed into motor racing venues. Davidstow Circuit is notable for the first victory in a Formula One race by Lotus. Davidstow Circuit was chosen as the location for the Formula One track and eco holiday village due to its numerous advantages. The circuit is located approximately 1 hour between Exeter Airport, Devon and Newquay Airport, Cornwall. Newquay Airport has one of the largest runways in the United Kingdom. At nearly 3 kilometres, the airport has the capacity to be able to handle the vast amount of cargo that is transported to each race. The circuit has been used for Formula One previously, and therefore can be adapted to its former glory as a Formula One circuit. There is also a large amount of area around the track limits for new infrastructure that would be needed to become a regular Formula One track. The British Grand Prix is currently held at Silverstone in Northamptonshire. However, this contract elapses in 2027. By this point, there will be an opportunity to move the British Grand Prix to a new location, somewhere where there will be space to expand with the evolving sport, somewhere in a scenic location, and somewhere with a wide range of renewable energy sources. The Davidstow Airfield has good sources of wind and solar power, as well as having an excellent source of geothermal energy. In 2007, one Formula One car produced 500 kilograms of carbon dioxide in one season. The sport is moving towards ways to reduce this. However, the cars themselves only count towards 0.2% of total emissions. By creating a track complex with minimal carbon outputs and by reducing grid dependency, we can start to change the future of this sport. Finally, it is well known that Formula One brings a large flux of tourism and spending to local areas, but creating an eco-holiday village within the site will keep this constant throughout the year. There were 3 initial designs considered. The location of key infrastructure in this initial design made the track layout unfeasible, as the paddock was positioned in the wooded area. Due to the track cutting through the forest in this design, it has been considered unfeasible, as it would require a large amount of felling, which goes against EcoFuture Consultants' company policy. This 13-corner, 5.7-kilometre track has been chosen for a full design package due to good infrastructure and corner positioning.
There will be a bespoke entrance to the Formula One track which will provide easy access routes to the car parks and medical centre. The museum will incorporate the Cornwall at War Museum, which is currently on the site, and will provide new updated facilities, as well as providing a new visitor centre. The entrance leads onto several different 1,000 space car parks on the north and the west side of the track. The medical centres, which include disabled access, will be situated close to the track and will accommodate both racers and members of the public. The main design aspects of this project will be an integrated design of the pit garages, VIP suites, hospitality and the connecting bridge. There will be 41 garages in total, which will be located on the ground floor, with the first floor containing the podium and the VIP suite. The steward's scrutineering area will also be contained within the pit garage space. The whole building will be available throughout the year for commercial use after race weekends and private functions to increase revenue. The hospitality building will be connected to the VIP suite by a skywalk bridge, which will be suspended across the start and finish line of the track. The hospitality will be a fully encompassing building that will provide restaurants, shops and bars over 3 floors. The main grandstand will have a view of the pits and the start line, comprising of 9,000 seats. There are 5 grandstands around the track. The observation tower will have a view of the whole track and provide a unique selling point. A 400-bedroom, 5-star hotel will accommodate visitors to the track. The intelligent building design will help it to be as environmentally friendly as possible. An indoor-outdoor go-karting facility will provide entertainment all year round. An activity centre will contain a spa, sporting activities and swimming pool. It will provide an alternative to trackside activities all year round. The 100 eco chalets will be placed within the pod areas where they used to store the planes and will become an immersed holiday location. The geothermal works controls the heating and cooling of the main buildings using underground heat sources and Crowley Reservoir. Solar panels will be placed on all buildings, providing additional power and heating. As the track is located on Bodmin Moor, there is a lot of wind power generation opportunity. Therefore, a wind farm will be located adjacent to the site. With 3 phases of construction, the total construction cost of the project will be £262 million, including the track renovation costing £50 million. The total build time of this project is projected to be 4 years. With 6 full-time engineers working full-time during both design and build, our services will equal 5.8% of total cost. This will take the project to an overall cost of just over £278 million.
EcoFuture consultants have identified the following as key stakeholders to the success of the project. The local and county councils will be involved in all decision-making processes with duty and care to the site. There will be constant contact with the local populace to ensure demands are met. The racing governing bodies using the track will have all standards and expectations catered for. And finally, the visitors will have all their needs catered for during race weekends and holidays at the Eco Holiday Village. A thorough communication plan will ensure stakeholder confidence at all times throughout the project. How will EcoFuture consultants execute this project? A fully detailed and continuously updated Gantt chart will ensure on-time delivery of the project. All documents will be backed up on a central storage server to ensure that no documents are lost during the process. Regular meetings with minutes taken will guarantee a high quality level of work and will ensure work is completed on time. The detailed design shall use an iterative process with stakeholder approval every step along the way. A risk assessment with mitigating actions and action and document review registers will be used to control the documents, issues and risks that occur throughout the project. With your investment and these implementation strategies, EcoFuture consultants will continue to develop and present the best solution for the redevelopment of the racetrack and creation of an eco holiday village to the deadline set. EcoFuture consultants aim to energise tourism in Cornwall, future-proof the way Formula 1 venues are designed with sustainable principles, and celebrate the history of Davidstow Circuit.